Okay guys, so today I'm going to teach you how to make pages on WordPress. So the first thing you're going to do, of course, is log into your WordPress. From here, you're going to go to the dashboard. You're going to go down the left-hand column to pages, click that. So if you scroll down to the second half here, here's this block right here shows you all the existing pages. So I have a sample, another sample, a template for a blog, and then another sample. So if I wanted to add a page, I click this little button up on the top left-hand corner. I'm going to click that. Here's a tutorial on how to use the block editor for those of you who don't know. If you want to read that, you can just pause. So from here, I'm going to make a title. This is going to be page 1. And we're going to put some text in. So this is page 1 of the WordPress. Now, the one thing to do here and to note is that if you want to make a page, you have to individually publish each one. So you can preview, you can save as a draft, or you can publish. We're going to publish. We're going to confirm that you want to publish. Here's the link to get to the exact page. We're going to view it. Here we go. So that's how you make a page in WordPress.